Hi, I'm Jennifer from EcoWool. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use raw wool pellets at the bottom of your pot and on the top of the soil of your potted plants. So first of all, I have 8 cups of soil here and I have 1 cup of pellets. I am going to start by putting half a cup of pellets at the bottom of my pot. And then I am going to put all the soil in my pot, just as you would any regular potting procedure. Now this is regular potting soil, you can use whatever you want. This is just kind of regular organic stuff from the store. Everybody has their preference. So now the last half cup of pellets is we are going to sprinkle it over top. And this is going to absorb moisture in the top. It is also a slug deterrent. Now this is a very light mulch, you can do it much heavier. And now you are ready to plant your seed or plants in the pot and you're ready to go.